All right, ready to dive in. Today it's L-Lysine, and we're looking at, well, whether it can really help with weight loss. We've got a ton of research to sort through, and I know a lot of you are pretty curious about this one.
Yeah, lots of questions.
So let's get to it. But first, like a super quick reminder, L-Lysine is an essential amino acid, meaning...
Our bodies don't just make it.
Right. Got to get it from food or, supplements. Now, we usually hear about L-lysines and like immunity and collagen, right?
Right.
But there's this buzz about it may be helping with weight loss too. So is it true? What do you think?
That's what we're here to find out. It's not like a direct path to weight loss, more of an indirect thing. One interesting thing is L-lysine's role in protein synthesis. See, it helps build protein, and that's how we build muscle.
Okay, so that's where the weight loss connection kind of starts, right?
Yeah.
More muscle, you're naturally burning more calories, even when you're, I don't know, like just chilling, watching TV.
Exactly, like even at rest.
Which, for me, that's a big plus.
I hear that.
Because hitting the gym consistently, not my strongest suit.
Yeah.
So boosting metabolism while I'm like binge watching. Yes, please.
Totally. And there's another layer to this too.
Okay, tell me.
So L-lysine, it's also involved in creating carnitine, which you can think of carnitine as a transporter. It takes fatty acids to our cells' mitochondria, and that's where they're burned for energy.
So not directly burning fat, but
They're kind of providing the vehicle.
the vehicle. Yeah.
Yeah.
Makes sense. So L-lysine is what? Setting up a better environment in our bodies for burning fat.
That's a great way to put it.
Like not the fire itself, but making sure there's enough kindling and oxygen or something.
Exactly.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. Now, I know a lot of our listeners are super into fitness, building lean muscle, all that. Does the research back that up? Like L-lysine actually helping with that?
It does. There's this one study I found really interesting. People taking L-lysine while on a reduced calorie diet, they lost a lot more weight compared to those just dieting.
Wow, so like a significant difference.
Significant, yeah. And they specifically looked at body composition. The L-lysine group had a much bigger increase in lean muscle mass.
Okay, now that's impressive.
Yeah.
So for those of you hitting the gym, L-lysine might give you that extra, what do they say?
The edge.
The edge, yeah. But okay, let's be real for a sec. We've all seen those headlines, right? L-lysine, the miracle weight loss supplement.
Oh, yeah.
But honestly, is it really all that?
I mean, while those results are, exciting, we got to be realistic. L-lysine's not a magic bullet. There's not a lot of evidence to say that just taking L-lysine, it's going to melt away pounds without, actually putting in the work.
Yeah, exactly. Sustainable weight loss, that's about healthy habits.
Right.
What you eat, how much you move, managing stress. L-lysine might help, but it's not doing all the work for you.
Exactly. You're not going to win a marathon just because you have the best running shoes.
That's such a good analogy.
And keep in mind, everybody's different. How your body responds to L-lysine, it can depend on your metabolism, your diet, how active you are. What works for one person might not do anything for someone else.
So not one size fits all, for sure. And speaking of individual responses, I've seen some, anecdotal stuff, people trying L-lysine for weight loss. And it's mixed.
It is.
Some people see a little change, especially if they're already, healthy.
Mm-hmm.
Others, not so much.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Now, another question I get a lot. Can L-lysine actually make you gain weight?
Oh, interesting.
Right. Kind of defeats the purpose, if so.
Yeah, simple answer. Generally, no. Weight gain happens when we eat more calories than we burn, no matter where those calories are coming from. L-lysine itself doesn't, automatically make you gain weight.
Okay, but I have heard some people get, digestive issues with L-lysine. Could it mess with appetite or metabolism?
Mm.
And then maybe affect weight.
That's a good point. Some people do get, upset stomach, diarrhea, especially when they're first starting, or if they're on a higher dose. So, yeah, it's possible those digestive issues could, temporarily affect your appetite, or even how your body processes food. But it's important to note that usually goes away as your body adjusts. It's not everybody, and it doesn't always mean weight gain.
Okay, good to know. So it sounds like, takeaway here, is L-lysine in weight loss, it's more like...
a supporting role.
Supporting role, not the star of the show.
Exactly.
It might help your metabolism, help burn fat, but it's not like a quick fix.
Yeah.
But there's a whole lot more to L-lysine than just weight.
Oh, absolutely. And that's what we'll get into next.
Okay, good.
We're going to look at all the other amazing things L-lysine can do, like fighting viruses, keeping our skin healthy, glowing.
Ooh, I like the sound of that.
Stay tuned.
All right, we'll be right back after a quick break. We're back and we're still talking all things L-Lysine. We've been digging into whether it's, really a weight loss helper, and it seems like, well, maybe not a miracle worker, but it could be like
Yeah.
a good teammate on your fitness journey.
Right, exactly.
But what's really got me interested is that L-Lysine isn't just about weight. It's got this whole other reputation as like
Yeah.
an immunity booster.
Yeah.
And a secret weapon for better skin.
It really is like the Swiss Army knife of amino acids. It does so much.
I love that.
And you're right, it's got this incredible antiviral power, especially when it comes to herpes simplex virus.
Okay, and that's the one that causes
Cold sores.
cold sores. Ugh, the worst. So how does L-Lysine help with those? Does it like just zap the virus away?
Well, not zap exactly, but it makes it harder for the virus to replicate. Basically, the virus needs this amino acid called arginine to multiply, and L-Lysine, it kind of competes with arginine, so it makes it tough for the virus to, do its thing.
So it's like L-Lysine is blocking the virus,
Yeah, like playing defense.
keeping it from causing an outbreak. That's pretty cool. I used to get cold sores a lot,
Mhm.
and I tried all these creams and stuff, but nothing really worked. Maybe I should have been thinking more about what I was like eating.
It is interesting, right, how connected everything is. Like what you put in your body and how it shows up on the outside.
Totally. And speaking of that connection, let's talk collagen. I mean, who doesn't want healthy, youthful skin? Always looking for anything to like fight wrinkles,
For sure. Collagen is so important for that. It's like the scaffolding that holds our skin together. It keeps it firm, keeps it elastic. And guess what? L-Lysine is super important for making collagen.
So it's not just wrinkles.
No, collagen is important for hair, nails, bones, even our joints.
Wow, so L-Lysine is like helping our bodies from the inside out.
Exactly.
Okay, so now a lot of our listeners are probably wondering, okay, all this sounds great, but how much L-Lysine should I actually take?
Yeah.
Like, what's a safe dose?
Yeah, good question. Usually it's recommended somewhere between like 500 milligrams to 1,500 milligrams per day for adults, but everyone's different.
Right.
The best dose really depends on you, your age, your health, what you eat, if you're taking other medications, all that.
So many factors.
Yeah, which is why it's always best to talk to your doctor first.
Or like a registered dietitian.
Exactly. Before starting any new supplement, including L-Lysine.
Got it. No self-prescribing.
Mm.
Okay, so now L-Lysine supplements, they come in like different forms, right? Tablets, capsules, powders. Anyone better than the others?
Not really. They're all pretty much equally effective. Just depends what you prefer. Some people find tablets or capsules easier, especially if they're, on the go. Others like powder because they can mix it in smoothies, drinks, things like that.
I get that. I've actually been adding collagen powder to my smoothies.
Oh, nice.
It mixes in so well. I guess it's similar with L-Lysine powder.
Yeah, pretty much the same idea. It's a good way to get those nutrients in without, even thinking about it.
Yeah, I like that.
So sneaky.
And speaking of getting it in, I've read it's best to take L-Lysine with food.
Is that true?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay.
Taking it with food helps your body absorb it better, and it can help you avoid like an upset stomach, especially if you're taking a higher dose.
Makes sense.
And one more thing to mention. While L-Lysine is generally pretty safe, some people do get mild side effects like upset stomach, diarrhea, nausea.
Okay, so not everyone's experience is going to be perfect.
Right, and if you notice anything like that, it's always best to, reduce your dose or stop taking it and talk to your doctor.
Always good advice.
And of course, always be aware of potential interactions with other meds you might be taking.
Absolutely. Another reason to talk to your doctor. Okay, so we've covered a lot, right? Benefits, dosage, how to take it, side effects. I think we've given everyone a good overview of L-Lysine.
Definitely. We've been through a lot. But as we wrap up this part, I think it's important to zoom out a little. Think about the bigger picture. I like that, the bigger picture. So what's the main takeaway when it comes to L-Lysine?
Well, even though it might not be a weight loss miracle, it's got so much else to offer. All those benefits for skin health, immunity, overall well-being. It's a really, really interesting nutrient.
Yeah, I'm with you on that. I think we get so caught up in the weight loss aspect that we forget about all the other amazing things it can do.
It's true.
Health is so much more than just the number on the scale, right?
Absolutely. It's about feeling good.
Yeah, feeling good in your own skin, like literally and figuratively.
That's a great way to put it.
So before we wrap up this whole deep dive, I've got one final thought-provoking question for everyone.
Ooh, I like where this is going.
Stay tuned. Okay, we're back for the last part of our L-Lysine deep dive. We've talked about a lot, from weight loss to like skin health and immunity. And I gotta say, L-Lysine, it's pretty impressive, right?
It really is so versatile.
But before we finish up, I want to leave you with something to think about. A question to kind of ponder.
Okay, I'm intrigued. Lay it on me.
So, we've said L-Lysine, it's not a magic weight loss solution, right? But what if we, shift our focus a little? What if we forget about the weight loss part for a second and just think about all those other benefits we talked about?
Interesting.
You know, like the collagen boost, the immune support, fighting cold sores. Could all that be enough reason to try L-Lysine? Even if it doesn't magically melt away pounds?
I think that's a fantastic question. And honestly, I think, it could be. It's easy to get so focused on weight loss, but health is so much more than that, than just the number on the scale.
So true. It's about feeling good,
Exactly. Imagine someone who's always dealing with cold sores or someone worried about, aging skin. For them, L-Lysine could be huge. The collagen boost, the antiviral effect, those benefits alone could make a huge difference, totally separate from any weight loss.
Yeah, that makes sense. It's like we get tunnel vision sometimes with certain nutrients.
We do.
We focus on one thing and forget about all the other ways they could help us.
It's a good reminder to look at the whole picture.
I like that. So wrapping up our L-Lysine deep dive, I think the takeaway is this. It might not be the weight loss miracle some people claim it is, but it's an amino acid with tons of potential benefits. Benefits that go way beyond just, weight.
It's about so much more.
And at the end of the day, whether you decide to try L-Lysine, that's a personal decision, right?
Yes.
We've given you the information, the research, the insights. Now it's up to you to decide if it fits your goals, if it fits your values, I guess.
Exactly. Do your own research, talk to your doctor, see if L-Lysine is right for you.
And remember, think about all the potential benefits, not just the weight loss part.
The whole picture.
Yeah, the whole picture. This deep dive, it's just the beginning, really.
It is. There's always more to learn.
Who knows what other amazing things we'll discover about L-Lysine, as the research keeps going.
I can't wait to find out.
Well, that's it for our L-Lysine deep dive. Hope you found it helpful. Hope you found it interesting. And until next time, stay curious and keep learning.